In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in PayPal to send to your customers. If you're working as a freelancer, you can use PayPal to send an invoice to your clients, and they can pay it from PayPal or using their own credit card. So the first thing you have to do is to log in into paypal.com and then click on Invoicing. So in Invoicing, you have a history of previous invoices, and it will show you if they've been paid or not. Click on Create Invoice, and then you can select if you want to bill a single customer or multiple customers. You can type the address or the name, and then click on Add New Customer. This will ask you to type all the customer's information you have. You don't have to have it all, but the more you have, the better. Then click on Save. And you can select if you want to tick the option that says items will be shipped or not. In my case, I'm not going to tick it. You can select the currency you want to get paid on. And then in items, you can write the name of the item. Then you can select the amount, and you can also add an item or service. You can also allow partial payment in this part right here. For example, you can select a minimum of the half if your client wants to pay you in advance. You can also click the button that allows you to have a tip, and it will give you the customers the option to pay you some more money. You can also write a message to the customer, and then you can go to More Options, and you can upload files and also write a memo to yourself if you want to. You can put the invoice number, and you can select the due date, for example on receipt. If you click here, it will show you a preview of the invoice that your customer will see. When the customer receives this invoice, they have the option to pay the full amount or another amount. For example, the minimum of the half of the full amount. They can use PayPal to pay you, or they can use their own credit card. If you want to edit the invoice, you can click here. And as you can see, you can also click here on Remove Logo, because in my case I have a logo, and upload a new one. You can also click on Edit Business Info to edit your business information. And then, if you have your client invoice, you can click on Send, and PayPal will automatically send it to your customer. But you can also click on the three dots here and share an invoice link. This is easier sometimes to send it to a client. So you can click on Copy Link, and as you can see, your link is already copied. So your client will receive an invoice that looks like this, and once it's paid, you can check it on the invoicing page. It will appear as paid or not. You can also print it or download your invoice for taxes purposes. And that's how you create and send an invoice on PayPal for your customers to pay you. If the video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you on the next one.